Hello everyone and welcome back to the VirtualBox installation on Windows. So before the installation, let us see what are the things that you should have it prior to the installation. So the first thing, you should have a laptop or PC, and then an internet connection, and finally the host operating system. And here the host operating system is Windows, but that can be a Linux or a Mac operating system. Now let us go ahead and install the VM on a Windows machine. As a first step, go to virtualbox.org website, from where you get the VirtualBox software. And then you can just download the VirtualBox from this link. Click on it. Now here we are going to use Windows as a host operating system, so click on it and get that downloaded onto your desktop or wherever you want to be. So the size of the VirtualBox software is about 118 MB. Now let us see how to get this VirtualBox installed. Just do a double click on it. So welcome to the Oracle VirtualBox. 5.1.28 is the version. Click on next. Next. So they just give a warning: installing the VirtualBox can basically interrupt your network connection temporarily. So that's just a precaution in case if you're doing something, your internet connection can be temporarily blocked. If you're okay with that, just go ahead and click on yes. This is going to take a while. Yeah, so now the Oracle VirtualBox has been installed successfully. Click on finish button. And you get this VirtualBox up and running. So here you can see 3 of the operating system already installed. Since I was using VirtualBox previously, these were the operating systems that I had installed previously. But now on the next video, we will see how to install your Linux operating system on this Oracle VirtualBox. If you have any questions on this part of the lecture, please log into our Q&A session. Otherwise, I'm looking forward to see you on the next video. Thank you.